in this video I'm going to show you how I make my rice and peas. First you have to boil some beans. I like to have fresh, boiled beans. Well, you can soak it first, that way it can cook faster. Put some garlic and some salt and a little bit of oil to let it boil. So after you boil it, you're going to fry the beans. So you take it out, you fry those beans, and then you add the liquid from the beans. Okay, and you can add a little bit of water, some coconut milk. So you boil the beans again, and you want to make sure you check that the beans are soft. When you press it like this, it's soft, but soft, not falling apart, because it doesn't look good when it's like falling apart. Then after you boil the beans, you can add a little bit of butter, some pepper, and then some salt if it needs salt. Then when the water starts to boil after you fry the beans, then you're gonna add the rice in it, and then you cover it up. You put enough rice to cover the liquid, like the beans and all that. So, and then you cook it and wait until your rice is nice and fluffy. So when you're cooking rice, what you do, you cover it first. When the water starts to when the water starts to evaporate, you're gonna cover it and let the steam cook the rice. Then after that, you're gonna let it open again. You open it again to let it air out. Then you check the rice to see if it's cooked. If it's not cooked, you put the cover back on. So it's basically the steam that's cooking the water, because you don't want it's basically the steam that's cooking the rice, because you don't want your rice to have too much liquid. You want the steam to cook it. So, and then another thing, some people, they make this kind of rice, it looks very whitish. That's because you don't have a good quality beans. When you have a good quality beans, you make sure that you use the liquid from this. That way it can come out like that. This is the Haitian way, it's dark. It looks like even rice and jonjon. So I have a lot of lighting on this, that's why it's not really showing, but it's dark. That's the perfect way of making this. And that's it. You can add whatever spices, whatever ingredients you like to use in your rice and black beans, but the main thing I like to use is garlic and scallions. This makes your rice taste delicious, with a little bit of salt and some good quality oil, and then you're gonna have a very delicious rice. And I don't like my rice to be soft, like we call it pat. I like it to be like this. It's firm, but it's not uncooked. Yeah, delicious. All right, guys. So good.